This is not a sympathy video. You all must be aware recently there is a rape case which happened in our society. And in case you are not aware, you can go to any social site. You will get the same snapshot available in everyone's status. With no offense to anyone, बट जिनके साथ ही क्राइम हुआ है उनका पोस्टमार्टम ऑलरेडी हो चुका है, तो आप उस चीज़ का बार बार पोस्टमार्टम नहीं कीजिए, मत करिए. And today I'm not going to talk about this incident only. Today I'm going to talk about the root cause of such incident, whether it's a rape case, whether it's a child abuse, whether it's human trafficking, whether it's a murder. What is the root cause? Root cause is the mentality that begins with one thought, and if that thought is not right and it is not corrected, then it becomes your reality and ultimately your mentality. Today I am going to talk about that. See, such incidents give us a reality check of our surroundings, of our society. But what we should do is, instead of blaming or instead of asking the authority to do the needful, which they should do ultimately, but we should take few things in our own hand. And we need to change the mentality, which is the main root cause. But how we can do it? Let's talk about it. Number one, give right teaching to our children and to our surroundings. जब सीख सही होगी तो सोच सही होगी, जब सोच सही होगी तो मेंटालिटी सही होगी. Number two, learn and give mutual respect. Teach children and yourself to give mutual respect to each other. Doesn't matter whether it's your domestic help, doesn't matter whether it's your colleague, doesn't matter whether it's your superior, doesn't matter whether it's anyone. And number three, be kind and help others in some way to the other, whether it's through some guidance, whether it's some monetary help, whether it's through some teaching, but help anyone or everyone in some way to the other. And whenever you help anyone, उसको बोलो किसी और 3 लोगों की मदद करें, and उन 3 लोगों को बोलो to follow the same thing, and it ultimately leads to a chain reaction, and our world is going to be a better place. Trust me on that. Now just imagine your actions opposite of what I just explained to you. What it will lead to? It will lead to disrespect, it will lead to hatred, and it will lead to wrong teaching, and ultimately it will lead to such crimes which we just talk about. सोचिए अगर इन क्रिमिनल्स की सोच ठीक होती या किसी ने इनकी सोच ठीक करी होती तो आज शायद ये क्राइम नहीं होता. One last message to all the people who do such crimes, and especially to those who help or support such people in one way to the other, is that कि अपने फ़ायदे के लिए जो दूसरों का तमाशा बना रहे हैं, अपने फ़ायदे के लिए जो दूसरों का तमाशा बना रहे हैं या देख रहे हैं, एक दिन वो खुद एक तमाशा बन जाएंगे, एक दिन वो खुद एक तमाशा बन जाएंगे. Be kind, do your bit, save humanity. Thank you.